I'm Darren Davies. I'm the Head of Quality and Compliance and a CQC registered manager for Midlands Air Ambulance Charity. The main reason why we purchased Radar Healthcare was that we needed a system that was going to gather real data from the point of patient care, but also our systems to provide assurance to our trustees and also our regulators, the CQC, that we're managing incidents, that our standards are to the standard that we expect, and that our staff are trained. The first thing to remember is we're a charity, so every penny that people are putting in towards the charity needs to be wisely spent. We have a responsibility, legally, morally, to our patients, to their loved ones, to provide the highest possible quality of care. The selection of Radar Healthcare with the number of elements that we can use for our training, for our incident management, for our documents, for our audits, brought that whole package together, preventing the need to look for other systems. The most recent success that we're all immensely proud of is achieving an outstanding rating by the CQC. Radar Healthcare gave us considerable amount of information following the requests, both during the inspection and afterwards. It's not until we've progressed with Radar Healthcare that we've really identified its potential. With the support team, we designed an event for innovations. A member of staff quite easily can log into Radar Healthcare, select events and submit an innovation idea. One of the very first innovation proposals from one of our doctors was around a piece of equipment for preterm babies. 18 months later, we discovered an incident that we attended that without that equipment, the patient may not have got the best possible treatment. So it just goes to show that such a simple idea can have massive benefits to the quality and safety of patients.
So about a year and a half ago, I had an accident where I was run over by an oil tanker. I went under the first two wheels and then it stopped when I was stuck under the third wheel. Emergency services were called. The firemen got to me first, then the paramedics. They gave me the most amount of medication they could. It was a Friday night and they needed to take me to Birmingham, so they said it would be quicker in an air ambulance. Their communication from the air ambulance made me so safe, and they were very friendly.
Our aftercare team contact patients and their loved ones where appropriate, trying to find out their experience, positive or negative. Previously, that used to be a manual process. Radar Healthcare has helped us make that more efficient. It enables us to pull all of that information back out again and really do something with that. So if there's themes, if there's learning that we can take from it, Radar Healthcare helps us to do that quite efficiently and effectively. We almost see Radar Healthcare as an extension to our existing team. It allows us to inform change, to learn, to be better, and it helps to improve the care and experience of patients like Sky.
I can't really put it into words because they saved my life. If it wasn't for the air ambulance, I would have a lot more injuries.
This is all about patients. It's not about anything else. It's about improving quality of care to patients, and Radar Healthcare helps me to influence and contribute to that.
Thank you so much. If it wasn't for everyone behind them and the first responders, then I wouldn't have had the best outcome.
It's delivered everything that we expected. In fact, I'd argue it's exceeded expectations. There's a wealth of opportunities and we do it in partnership.